Welcome to this tutorial on how to fix a Wix website that is not showing up on Google. If your Wix website is not appearing in Google search results, it can be frustrating and affect your online presence. In this guide, we will walk you through a step-by-step process to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. First, ensure that your website is published and live. Sometimes, a simple mistake like forgetting to publish your site can prevent it from being indexed by Google. Log into your Wix account, go to the editor, and click on the Publish button to make your site live. Next, check if your website is set to allow search engines to crawl and index it. In the Wix editor, go to Settings, then click on SEO, and make sure the box next to Allow search engines to crawl and index my site is checked. This setting tells search engines like Google that your site is ready to be indexed. Another crucial step is to verify your website with Google Search Console. This tool helps you monitor your site's performance and identify issues that may be preventing it from showing up in search results. To verify your site, go to the Google Search Console website, sign in with your Google account, and follow the prompts to add and verify your site. It is also essential to submit your sitemap to Google Search Console. A sitemap is a file that lists all the pages on your website, making it easier for search engines to crawl and index your site. In the Wix editor, go to Settings, then click on SEO, and click on the Sitemap button to generate and submit your sitemap to Google. Additionally, ensure that your website has unique and descriptive page titles and meta descriptions. These elements help search engines understand the content and purpose of each page on your site. In the Wix editor, go to Settings, then click on SEO, and edit the page titles and meta descriptions for each page to make them descriptive and keyword-rich. Finally, be patient and give Google some time to crawl and index your site. It can take a few days or even weeks for your website to appear in search results. You can check the status of your site by searching for it on Google and looking for any crawl, errors or issues in the Google Search Console. By following these steps and best practices, you can troubleshoot and resolve the issue of your Wix website not showing up on Google. Remember to regularly monitor your site's performance and adjust your SEO settings as needed to ensure your site remains visible and accessible to your target audience.